In this video, I want to show you a few key ways that I really love using the calendar view on repurpose.io to make sure that all of your content is going out nicely and how you can easily edit it and also look up all the videos very easily in one spot that you've already published. Let's get into it. So first of all, a lot of people might not even know that there is a calendar view. So there's the workflows, there's connections, templates, but then if you click right here on the calendar on the left side of your dashboard, it will take you to a calendar view. So this is, you can do it by month, by week, by day. And so I like to have it in the month view. And so I wanted to show you this example because it's very clean right now and very easy to understand. This has been something that's already been published. So if you click on this or any of them, it will take you to that piece of content very quickly. And so that way you can say, okay, how did it turn out? What did it look like? And it's very easy to see how it went. So it will show you Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it, and you just click on it. This one's published, you just click on it, and it'll take you right to Twitter and show you how it looked like, right? So this one is scheduled for tomorrow, and so you can actually, before it gets published, you can click on it and you can preview it. You can preview it, you can change the date, and you can change the time. And then you just click update and it will change. So if I want to change the date to the 1st and I want to change the time to 5 p.m. at 5:48, you just do update. And one thing that's really important to mention is it does take about 30 seconds to a minute to update it because it's, it has a queue and everything. So it won't be right away. And that's when I first used it, I was a little bit confused about that. So as you can see, it might take a minute. While we're waiting for that, I'll show you like a month that, I published quite a bit. And you can see like from this, it kind of looks probably overwhelming, but this is a really good overview of like all my different workflows. So if I go to workflows, I have a lot of workflows set up, and you might have multiple workflows too. Most of them go from TikTok to all the different social media platforms, right? So I don't want to view content for every single thing. It would be really hard to sometimes to check to see if everything published, if I need to edit anything or change anything. So that's when you could just go to calendar view and see all of your different workflows in one spot, right? You can do it by day. Like if I wanted to change it to week, day, month, whatever. So I have it on month, but if you just wanted to set it to week, you can change it and then use this to the right to go to the next week. And so like, for example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different workflows. If you can see, there's one that says error. And so I actually didn't know that this was going on. So I didn't realize that I had to reconnect my Twitter because Twitter became X, right? If you didn't know that. And so I just simply had to reconnect it, and then I just tested it for currently, and it works. So now if we go back, like I said, we just changed the TikTok to Instagram, and it is now on September 1st, and it changed the date. So it did take about 30 to 45 seconds. So as you can see, this is a really great tool for you to see your entire workflow and schedule all in one spot. So you're a little bit more organized. You can see what's happening if you need to reconnect anything. And then if you ever have any questions about, hey, why is this happening? You can always reach out to our support. And we have probably the best team that I can think of to support you because they really care about you and your content and want to help you. So take advantage of that. And so, yeah, that's how I use the repurpose.io calendar. Like I said, it's a quick way to check up on how your content did in one spot. You can check out your videos that you scheduled in the future and make any changes to those, right here within the calendar. So hopefully that helps you guys out. I love the calendar feature. It's really nice. And I think it is a nice addition to repurpose.io. So let me know if you have any questions about the calendar feature at all, if you use it in your business, or if you just completely use the view content feature only. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much, and we'll see you guys in the next video.